All right, hey guys. Since I have a long weekend, I'll just start vlogging from today on. Today we'll be doing my room tour here in tech school at Keesler. So yeah, I'll start with right here. This is my sink, and this is my lock from BMT. We still have to carry this to tech school so I can lock that shit right here, that wall locker. Alright, excuse my language if I'm cursing too much. Anyway, I'm really tired and I'm stressed. So, and I'm excited to vlog as well. Alright, this is my mirror. This is my sink. Under here is all my stuff, toilet paper, Tide Pod, like all the accessories for my hair, toothpaste, nail polish, whatever, face wash, lotion, blah, blah, blah. All that good stuff that you need. Alright, so this is how it looks like. So you have light and then like this. This is my first time doing all this stuff, so, and I don't really have the right equipment to vlog, but I just want to try it out, you know, see it. So here's the wall locker, and this is my closet. I'm about to show you guys. So that's my sandal, my tennis shoes, my e-core shoes, my Vans, my boots, my trash because I'm lazy to take it out, my civilian luggage, well, my backpack, and what's that thing called? I forgot. Where you can put, it's a bag from BMT. You can put in your laundry, a laundry bag. Here we go. All right, some pants, my civilian clothes. All right, and they also have another drawer locker, whatever, here for us to put our civilian clothes. That's my one of my new cap that I haven't worn used yet. These are like, y'all know my OCPs, and one of my dress, the only dress I got, and my blues, and my towel. This is my body towel. My hair, when I wash my hair, two towels. Okay, first, sorry, that's my socks, my sweats, my sweaters, bobby pin. Okay, right here I have my gym stuff, not my gym, PT gear. Yeah, PT gear. And all my civilian stuff too that I have, like all the other stuff, I don't know. And my Apple Watch, I guess. Oops. Excuse me, this is all my bras and underwears and Coyote t-shirt. These are my socks with my belt. This right here is my flight t-shirt, and I bought my dad and my mom Proud Air Force dad t-shirt and a towel. Here are all my packed civilian clothes that I have. Alright, that's pretty much just in here. It's kind of tight, like really tight and titty inside here, kind of small. So yeah, so like, I don't know, like that. And that's my roommate. This is my roommate's side. And here is our bathrooms. Bathroom is alright. I like it. And it's pretty small too, like really titty up, really nice. And here, stuff like this. Alright, I suck at this, but I'll just do it for one of my sister from my flight requested to do this vlog. Also, one of my other friend also asked me to vlog this. And here's my roommate. Say hi. She's playing pug, I think. That's her side, and this is mine right here. And this is my bed. This is how the bed look like. So that's the government linen. I don't want to buy my own linen, so I just use the government linen. So that's how it looks like. This is hers, really beautiful and nice and clean. That's her own linen. She doesn't want to use the government linen, so she bought her own. It's really beautiful.
Because everybody sleeps on that. Right?
Yep, I'm cheap, so I'll use that. But she's rich.
Gross.
Yeah, and that's her shoes. Look at her, so neat and cute. All right, this is my stuff. It's really messy here. There's another door. So here is all my stuff. My necklace, my Pandora, some masks, some 341s. We still use 341s in tech school, yes. I don't have anything under here, so I'm not even gonna open it up. So this side, it's my side. So this is where like because of COVID-19, we normally do online classes and stuff. So that's where I sit down, and that's where my roommate sits down, and that's a refrigerator, another wall locker. Oh yeah, by the way, that's a microwave. Yes. Okay, so this is all my stuff. Government computer, my AirPods, all that stuff. All right, in here, guess what we have in here? Guess, guys, we have food. My roommate is laughing at me. All right, ta-da! This is what we have in here. Water. And all this junk food. We have so many food. All this junk food belongs to me and my roommate. We normally share food. Oh my god. Yep. And there's a mirror right here. Okay, I'm being silly, y'all. Alright. Okay, so this is how the microwave look like. Clean and neat. Here is our freezer, the top part, of course. Now, here is all we hide. Our little Gatorade bar. Gatorade and all the juice and water, whatever, you know. As you can see. I don't even have to say it. Yeah, alright. So pretty much that's it. And by the way, that's my Bluetooth that I bought here for like 35 bucks. It's cute. It's changing colors. Yeah, pretty much that's all about it for our room. So, yep. Walking backward. Alright guys, thank you for watching my vlog. Tour to my room. Thank you. Have a great day and have a great, happy Memorial Day coming up. Enjoy your Memorial Day. Go Air Force. Say, never mind. I don't know what to say. I'm kind of bored, so yeah, that's how I look like. By the way, that's the trash. I mean, the trash can over there. And that over there, that freaking building over there is kind of blurry. But that is our DFAC right there, right? And people are getting in line. Y'all see it. All right, that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Thank y'all.